What's up, my people? Smitty at the shop. Just about a year ago today, let's see, it's August, I don't know, it's like August 6th or 7th today, 2021. And last summer, I was up in New Hampshire and my security cameras went off. That tree had got struck by lightning. Fortunately, it fell in the opposite direction. But in addition to the lightning hitting that tree, at the time, that storage shed was in a little bit different position, and it had the electric car on top of it. So the lightning bolt came down through that tree, hit the side of the electric car, and just sent a shower of both chunks of wood and rocks and just all sorts of debris. It's a 7-second clip, and things happen so quickly that it's hard to even really see what kind of carnage happened just from one lightning strike. I'm gonna slow the video down, which I posted this video up last year, but it's 7 seconds. It happens so quickly you don't realize what's going on. So what I did is I took the time to just slow it down, and I'm just gonna systematically go through it each time I slow it down and just have you look at different things that got damaged from that lightning bolt. And there's a couple of different things. In fact, some damage I didn't find till almost months later, because I didn't really look at the video that closely. And just as I was moving stuff around and checking stuff out, I came across more and more damage. So anyway, here's that video. First, just in the 7-second original clip that I received from my security camera. Next, I'm gonna slow the video down about half speed, and you can look at the most obvious thing that happened. And the first thing I noticed when I saw the video is that I had a little. There's a maroon Saturn, which is facing the main road, and obviously you see a log. You see a log hit the side of the car, and then another log immediately after that shoot right through the rear window and shatter that back glass. So look for that in this clip. Slow down about half speed. So I'm going to slow it down even more now, and if you look behind that Saturn that had the back glass shattered, and just to the right, you'll see a little red Nissan Sentra, which was sitting over in this area at the time. Again, things have moved around since then. But you'll see, after the Saturn gets tagged by that log, you'll see the back window of that Nissan Sentra will suddenly go to like a bright white. And that was actually another log going through that back window, which didn't completely blow the window out. It splintered the entire thing, which is why it kind of turned to a color of white. And then in the final clip, I'll slow it down even a little bit more. And if you look to the right, you'll see two 24-foot car trailers. The black one, which is mine, you'll see some debris hit the roof of that. I did not know that until months later. That had actually pierced the roof of that. In fact, I happened to go in the car trailer one day and noticed that there was water damage in the ceiling, and I climbed up there, and sure enough, there's a chunk of wood stuck right through the roof of that. Also, if you look to the far left, there's a pair of Cadillacs. You see a little bit of debris flying in the air, and they got some dings and dents on them. So anyway, that's it. Then I'll play it one more time at full speed, and you can just enjoy the carnage. All right, people. Smitty at the shop, out.